Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday to you, TGIF. Friday, the 26th of February, 2021. And as per usual, I hope that your day is off to a great start. You know, I've been the beneficiary of a lot of kindness through my YouTube channel, and over the last 5, 6 weeks, maybe 2 months or so, I've really had my eye on grabbing a conversion van. I mean, I think I've really just decided that that's my ideal travel vehicle because of the size, the potential for still having a bit of stealth and flying under the radar screen for boondocking, and the ability to build it out and have a lot more room, probably double the internal room that I have in Little Rascal right now, my 2016 Dodge Pro Master van. So I've had a couple kind people reach out to me and actually offer one conversion van that's like a 1994, and another one that's like a 1985 that is just a basic van, and they both need a lot of work on them. And I just wanted to put it out there today that, number one, I'm extremely grateful for people that offer things like that. But I'm kind of at a place right now where I'm looking to buy myself something that is a little bit newer, a little more well appointed, a little less run down, and not needing the level of work except for tricking it out and making it more comfortable to have the type of van that would suit my particular travels. The right van can be a big money saver. When I went on my Great Lakes van tour and down into Mexico, I had 44 straight days where I lived in a van, and quite a few of them were in 100-degree plus days and 90-degree nights. And by and large, I was fairly comfortable. But there's really no room, and I was really lucky on that trip that I didn't have any bad weather in the way of rain, at least for that whole stretch of time. And I can't imagine being cooped up in that in rainy weather and just basically sitting on my hands. Whereas a conversion van is going to have a few more features that helps you save money, as opposed to hotels and things like that. In other words, my van is good, but it's not great. But my point today is to thank you guys for those of you who have offered conversion vans, and I just have to say, thank you very much. Anyways, very kind of you. But I need to pick something that I'm going to purchase myself, and be something that's a little more updated. But the fact that people have reached out with those offers, is a beautiful thing, and I am very grateful for that. And I've reached out to those individual people and thank them profusely for their kindness. I'm certainly not destitute by any stretch of the imagination, nor am I born to the purple. But as the old saying goes, I got this. I can make this thing happen just fine. So, just wanted to put that out today. Also, people have kindly sent me links for vans that are listed within a 500-mile radius here. That's a good thing, and I am enjoying that. I'm in no rush. Right now, prices are really primo for vans and RVs because of the pandemic surge. Created a lot of desire on people to get out of Dodge and get into nature and get away from potential COVID-19 transmissions. And I certainly get that, but the effect of that has been to drive up prices radically, and in some cases 50, 100% over prices maybe a year and a half ago for the same vehicle. So I'm going to be a patient person and wait, and because I feel certain we've hit the top of that price curve, and maybe coming down a little bit in the future. But trust me, I got this, guys, and thank you for your kindness. But Rosie can do. Thumbs up or appreciate it, and have a wonderful day.